गुड मॉर्निंग। मैथमेटिक्स विथ रमेश सर चैनल में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। एज वी हैव स्टडीड इन द लास्ट क्लास trigonometry and the topic is ASTC. So today we will continue that topic. Before we will revise what we have done in previous class. This is 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, and this one is third quadrant, and 270 to 360 is fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, all trigonometrical ratios are positive, and in second quadrant, sign is positive, and the reciprocal of sign is cosec is also positive. And in third quadrant, tan is positive, and the reciprocal of tan is cot. Cot is also positive. And fourth quadrant, cos is positive, and the reciprocal of cos is sec is also positive. And 2 points, first one is 90 and 270, there is change in trigonometrical ratios. Sine is changing to cos, and cos is changing with sine. Same, tan is changing to cot, and cot is changing to tan. Sec, cosec, and cosec is changing into sec. And second part, 180 to 360, there is no change. In previous class, we have already find the values of 120 degree, 135 degree, 150 degree, and 210 degree. Today we will discuss some higher values. First of all, we take 225 degree. I will find all the trigonometrical ratios. That means first value is sine 225 degree. Second value is cos 225 degree. Third value is tan 225 degree. Okay. First of all, we find these three values, and remaining three values we can find easily, because cosec, fourth one is cosec. Cosec is reciprocal of sine. So first of all, we have to break 225 in two parts. That means 180 plus 45. We have studied in the previous class, any number is breakable into two parts. In first place, we have 90, 180, 270, and 360. And in second place, 30, 45, 60, and 9. मतलब 225 को हम दो पार्ट में ब्रेक करेंगे। फर्स्ट पार्ट में इन चारों में से वैल्यू होनी चाहिए और सेकंड पार्ट में इनमें से। इज दैट क्लियर? सो वी हैव break 225 into two parts, 180 plus 45. First of all, look this. What is this? 180 plus. First of all, we will find the location of these values. These values lies in which quadrant? So see 180 plus. Look this 180 plus. That means 225 values lies in third quadrant. Look 90 plus. Which quadrant? 90 plus. Which quadrant? Second quadrant. 90 minus. Which quadrant? First quadrant. Same. If sign is 180 plus. 180 plus. Which quadrant? Third quadrant. Similarly, 180 minus which quadrant? Think. Second quadrant. Same process for 270. 270 plus means which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. And 270 minus means which quadrant? Third quadrant. And the last value is 360 plus means which quadrant? First quadrant. जैसे 360 से बड़ी वैल्यू आएगी तो हम प्लस करेंगे तो वापस से ये साइकिल चलती जाएगी. And 360 minus means fourth quadrant. You have to remember these things. ये आपको याद करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? ये याद करने के लिए आप ये जो डायग्राम है इसे आप याद करें तो आपको इजीली ये याद हो जाएगा. ठीक है? तो देखो 180 plus which quadrant? Third quadrant. And in third quadrant which trigonometrical ratio is positive? Tan or cot. But here which trigonometrical ratio is used? Sin. Then sin is negative in third quadrant. थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में पॉजिटिव क्या होता है? tan और cot. और बाकी के चार ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल रेशियो क्या होंगे यहाँ पर? नेगेटिव. सो माइनस साइन इज हियर एंड देयर इज 180. लुक दिस 180 नो चेंज which means sign is used same as it is we have to write and 45 degree and the value of sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2 is the answer. Is that clear? Now second value is cos 225. We will break 225 into two parts. 180 plus 45. Same 180 plus which quadrant? Third. And in third quadrant cos is positive or negative? Negative. And there is no change in 180 degree. So same cos we will write here and 45 degree. And the value of cos 45 is also 1 by root 2 is the answer. And the third one is same part tan 180 plus 45. 180 plus means third quadrant and in third quadrant tan is positive, therefore positive sign takes place and in 180 there is no change. Therefore, we will write here tan and 45 degree. And the value of tan 45 degree is 1 is the answer. Is that clear? Now we can easily find the value of cosec 225 degree, because we already find sine 225 and the reciprocal of sine is the value of cosec. That means minus root 2. Fifth, sec 225 is also minus root 2. And sixth one is cot 225 is also 1. Okay? In exam, if question is asked that find the value of sec 225 degree. Now we have to solve complete step by step. Look, sec 225, we will break 225 into two parts. 180 plus which quadrant? Third quadrant. And in third quadrant sec is negative. 180, there is no change, then we can write sec. Sec is in question, then we can write sec. If here cot, then we will write cot and 45 degree. And the value of sec 45 is root. Is that clear? कई बच्चों के मन में क्वेश्चन उठ रहा है कि सर इफ वी यूज 270 डिग्री, है ना, देखो again this value second method and this one is first method. Sine 225 will break in terms of 270, that means 270 minus 45. Look, this 270 minus this one is 270 minus means values lies in third quadrant, and in third quadrant sign is negative, and in first place there is 270, and if there is 270 there is change in trigonometrical ratio. Sin is changes to cos. मतलब अगर 270 लिखा होगा तो यहां पर ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल रेशियो क्या होगा बेटा? चेंज. तो sin is changing to cos and we have to write 45 degree, and the cos 45 is 1 by root. Answer is same in both method, but you have to prefer this method. You always use 180 degree and 360 degree because there is no change in these two values. कई बच्चे एग्जाम में ये चेंज करना भूल जाते हैं, इसलिए आप अधिकतर क्या प्रेफर करेंगे? 180 और 360. ठीक है? In previous class in 10th we have studied pi. You know that the value of pi is 22 upon 7. But in 11th class, this angles is 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree and 360 degree. You have to remember that pi is equal to 180 डिग्री। जो एंगल है उससे 2 यूनिट होती है एंगल की। फर्स्ट वन इज डिग्री and second one is radian. We will discuss this topic in exercise 3.1 after few class. For the time being, you will remember that pi radian is equal to 180 degree. This means pi by 2 radian equal to 90 degree. Pi by 3 means मन में 180 पुट करो, 180 by 3 60 degree. Same process, pi by 4 you will get 45 degree. Pi by 6 is equal to 30 degree and simple pi means 180 degree. Now the diagram is slightly changes 90 degree, or we can write pi by 2. 180 we will write pi, and 270 degree we can write 3 pi by 2. Look at this, 3 pi by 2. यह में रफ में पुट करके देखेंगे हम, 3 into 180 by 2 90 into 3 270. ठीक है, ये हम काम करेंगे रफ में। And 360 degree is 2 pi. ठीक है, आज जो हमने ये वैल्यूज पढ़ी हैं इन्हें आप अच्छे से करेंगे, और मैं आपको कुछ वैल्यूज दे रहा हूं प्रैक्टिस के लिए। इन वैल्यूज, सिर्फ वैल्यूज लिख रहा हूं, इसमें आप जो है 6 values you have to find and send me your solutions on my WhatsApp number. I can write here 946 266 3176 with your name. Okay? If there is any doubt, I will clear in next class. इसमें से आप कुछ वैल्यूज निकालेंगे तो हो सकता है गलत भी, तो उससे डरने की कोई बात नहीं है। ठीक है, वो हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में डिस्कस करेंगे। फर्स्ट वैल्यू इज 240 डिग्री, सेकंड वैल्यू इज 300 डिग्री, थर्ड वैल्यू इज 330 degree, fourth value is 390 degree, and fifth value is 390, 360, 420 degree. I have written only 5 values, which means there are 30 questions. 6 trigonometric, sin 240, cos 240, tan 240, cosec 240, sec 240 and cot 240. 6 questions for this. 6, 6, 6. That means 6 into 5 is equal to 30 questions. You have to send this values and their solution on my WhatsApp number. ठीक है, और इनमें से जो भी क्वेश्चन आपको नहीं आता है या गलत होता है तो वो हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में डिस्कस करेंगे, और इनके सॉल्यूशन आप एज ए होमवर्क मेरे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे भेजेंगे, ठीक है, विथ योर नेम, ठीक है। ऑल द बेस्ट।